in my large mixing bowl, I'm going to go ahead to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, salt, 2 teaspoons of instant active yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then I'll go ahead to combine everything together. Next, I'm going to add in some chili flakes, next some oregano, then some garlic paste. Then mix together and make sure everything is well combined. Next, spray some vegetable oil. You can as well use butter, and after that, gradually add your milk. Next, start kneading the dough with your clean hand and also add water or milk as required. Next, place the dough on your rolling mat or any clean flat surface. Knead the dough until the dough becomes soft and smooth. Spray some vegetable oil into your mixing bowl. Then use your brush to spread the oil all over the bowl. And after that, transfer your dough into the bowl. Then brush with oil. And after that, cover with your cling foil and allow it to rest for about 2 hours. While your dough is resting, go ahead to prepare garlic butter. In a plate, add in your melted butter, garlic paste, oregano and some chili flakes. Then mix everything together. After the dough has rested for 2 hours, punch the dough and knead slightly. Next, cut the dough into 3 portions, and after that, take out one of the dough and roll on your rolling mat. After rolling the dough, brush the dough with your garlic butter. Next, spread some mayonnaise on one side of the dough. This is actually optional. You can as well skip this. After spreading the mayonnaise, then top it with cheese and sweet corn. After the topping, then fold into half and seal the sides. Place your garlic bread on your oven rack and make sure it's fitting well for baking. Use a knife and gently make a vertical marks on the bread and make sure you do not cut through the bread. Finally, brush some garlic butter on the shaped bread and let it rise for about 20 to 30 minutes for second rise. And while waiting for your bread to rise for the second time, preheat your oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Lastly, transfer your bread into your preheat oven and allow it to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. And after your bread turns golden brown, take it out from the oven and serve while it is hot. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.